Hey, good morning. This is just a quick video to show you, if you don't already know, how to remove and replace the side covers for the CB650F. There's the cover, and what I did was I took it off because I thought I was going to do some paint work on it, just paint it. I decided not to, and I just took off the decal instead because it really bothered me that I don't know, it just looked a little bit too crass to me. So I'm going to put it back on, and I'll show you the process. Basically, it's held on two little Velcro tabs there, a screw here, and a screw right there at the top of the rad, and one right there. And the press fitting there, which corresponds to that right there. So obviously, I'm not showing you to remove it, but that would be the reversive installation. So we just line up the screw hole there on the top, and on the rad, and then we give it a good push. There we go. That snapped in there. Get the Velcro seated. Make sure our holes are aligned. Sorry for the jerky camera work here. The thing you got to know is all the screws are different. They're different lengths. So I labeled them. Snug it down, not tight. And the front. And the last one. And there we are. So I like the looks better without the decal. If I figure that I want to put a little something there after, I can always put 3 stripes or something. But so far, I'm okay with that. Oh, there's one thing I forgot to show you. Well, I'm not going to take it off now. Sorry. But under here, right about there, there's a bunch of wires you're going to see. And you'll find one plug sticking down, and there's nothing plugged into it. That's an auxiliary plug, and it's switched to the ignition. Got some other accessories coming for this bike, and do another video at that time. Anyway, you take care. Have fun.